Howdy guys and gals, Mikey V here. It's that time for the drawing for the winner of the 2018 Redbook coins. Now, this is another reason I love this community. 2 of you entered, but gave your entries to Poor Man Stack, effectively giving him 3, as you can see here. Only 1 other person entered, so I guess not too many people need this book. So we'll get right to that, and I've got a couple other special treats for you here, as well as a survey that you can input your answer into the comments. So without further ado, let's see who won. Okay, looks like Poor Man Stack won with his 3 entries. Congratulations, Poor Man Stack. My email is in my contact info on my About section. Go ahead and shoot me an email with your address and all your contact information for me to send that out to you, and I'll get that out to you within the week. And without further ado, I'll close this and get to what I wanted to do. I apologize, the tripod I'm using is rather shaky, but I'm trying something new out, so it's not nearly as bad as the past couple of videos has been. Today I picked up my copy of Kingdom Hearts 3 Deluxe Edition. So this, for pre-ordering at GameStop, you got a nifty cloth poster. You've got Woody there from Toy Story. And everybody else on the bottom here. You got Sora, Donald, and good old Goofy. So that's going to be up on my wall coming soon. And then here is the Kingdom Hearts Deluxe Edition. Comes with this nifty pin. Not sure what else comes in there. I haven't quite looked at it. The GameStop guys told me. But a little different kind of unboxing. As you can see off to the side here, I have some more to show you, and I'm saving the best for last. I'm really looking forward to playing this game, though. I've been looking forward to it for a very long time. So we've got this here. Looks like it's an art book. Message from the director. Sora's journey. Some art there, the characters. You got Sora, Goofy, Donald, Kairi, Riku. All the characters from the first game. There's Sora, Riku, Donald, King Mickey, and Goofy. And some more art there. This is one of the things I love about getting collector's editions of games, is the art books. It's just so cool to see the process that went into making the game and the actual art behind the animation. It's just so fascinating to me. I have a lot of different art books, and if any of you want to see them, go ahead and comment. This is a separate thing. If you want to see the art books, I can go through them. I've got quite a few. Elder Scrolls. I think I've got some Zelda, Legend of Zelda ones. There's Monster Sora, Monster Donald, Monster Goofy, then there's the Monsters Inc. characters, Pirates of the Caribbean, and then the Pirates of the Caribbean versions of the characters for the game. Anyway, I'm not going to go too much in detail there. I've already wasted enough of your time on that. And it comes with a really nice steelbook case for the game. Obviously nothing in there, but you can keep the game in there if you want. And then the actual game itself, which I'm not going to bother unwrapping the cellophane on that on video. There's probably going to be some kind of code in there for me to use. But, down to the nitty-gritty of what I wanted to do this video of. Oh, and the poll I wanted to take is for this. How many of you would like to see me do a Let's Play of this game? I'm still playing through the story so far, so I'm a little bit behind because there's a lot of games I haven't played. But when I get to it, I'll let you guys know. And if you think it'd be something you'd be interested in, I can do a Let's Play on my channel. And if you're not interested on here, I do have a secondary channel that is tied directly to my PlayStation, and I can just do a Let's Play from there. And if anybody wants that information, if it gets voted down on this channel, then I will provide information for that channel. But here is what I wanted to show you guys. We've got a 1867 to 1967. It's a Canadian Centennial coin. Very cool. Solid silver, or I'm not sure what the percentage is. It didn't come with any kind of certificates, but that is a Canadian Silver Centennial. Pick up from my local coin shop just up the road. And then I've got another Canadian coin. Being from Michigan, I kind of do have a fascination with coins from Canada. This one is something different. It is a Canadian dollar. Okay, I was wrong. This one is actually solid nickel. This one is the Canadian silver dollar from 1873 to 1973, the Centennial again. This is for Prince Edward Island. So the Centennial of Prince Edward Island. It's just a couple of the commemorative coins that they had at my coin shop. And I also have, ta-da! I don't know how well you can see that. It's an Eisenhower United States proof dollar. And somewhat of the original packaging, and it's got a, I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but it's got a really, really cool gold tone to it. I love when coins get that kind of toning. You can't really see it very well on the video, but saving the best for last, I have 3 of these. Probably not going to be able to see it very well on the video, so I'll try to get this as best as I can. These are replica 1980 Krugerrands. I believe they are 14 karat gold. I have 3 of these, so now I actually can say that I own some gold coinage. They were made by the National Mint Monetary, NMM, or something like that. So they're not official. They're not actually South African Krugerrands. There's nothing official about these, which is why they're 14 karat replica miniatures. These would have originally been in like ring holders. So these, I mean, this isn't the original packaging. It's not what I paid for it. But I got a pretty good deal on these, I think. They're each about, I believe, 0.2 grams of 14 karat gold. So now I have 0.6 grams of 14 karat gold total. But that is it for this video. Go ahead and post your votes in the comments on both of the topics, and I look forward to hearing you. Mikey V, signing out.